24.
Go ahead.
Airbase in front of headquarters. It's a gold past the car. South Carolina 28. Tom, Sam, Charles 454. TSC 454.
10-4. B21.
TV
10-4. Highway 64 East, about 3 miles outside of Old Knob. A mobile home driver is asking for assistance with traffic. He's 1044.
B10-4. We're continuing. We're taking the 85 southbound on route.
That's 840488. I just need to know if he's 52. I don't need to return other than that and attach him to this original call right here.
Daniel, he's 52. B10, is he stopping?
Negative. We're passing 85. Stand by.
B41, are you 10-4?
B10-4. Show me 1037. I got up beside her on the driver's side. She just looked away from me.
What's your location?
83 southbound. Speed's only 55.
10-4.
TVI, she's off in the ditch. It's 85. Direction 83.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
B10-4. She just rolled the window up on me. She's trying to ignore me.
Show me your hands.
B10-4. She's not listening to commands. She's just sitting in the driver's seat.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car!
B10-4, you got anybody coming to me?
Public service township.
10-4.
Jackson County 341, Baldwin area.
10-4. She's still sitting in the car. She ain't listening or looking at me. And she keeps digging around in the car. Go ahead, sir.